Hey folks, welcome to the channel. If you're new, we hope to earn your subscription today. To our current subscribers, thank you. Alright guys, we're out here in the workshop. We just got done completing this little project. We're going to try and show you a little video of it. It might be a little difficult because we're going to be doing this one-handed, trying to film with the other, so we'll see what happens. If you know somebody that may enjoy watching this video, please feel free to share it with them. We love it when you share our content. Statistics tell us that only half of you that are watching this are subscribers. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe to the channel.